Hey guys, this is my home gym power rack that I built. Just got the idea on YouTube. Pretty simple. Took me about 2 days, spent 5, 6 hours on it each day. Had a bit of help to assemble, but other than that, guys, built it myself. Just, turned 17. My dad helped me buy the wood at Lowe's. He said, hey, if you can build your own, I'll pay for it. All the wood was about $58, 300 plus screws, used 8 bolts, so that was a total of about $80. Wood 58, screws and bolts together about 20. Fairly simple, just drew it out on paper, got all the measurements based on this Olympic bar and the width, and pretty much went to it. Let me go more in depth here. So I bought the weights after I had this thing built, and I cut galvanized piping. Let me show you. Just cut it there, put some duct tape on it, sort of pad the weights, but I got 5s, 10s, 25, and a 45 for now. Put up there. It's really solid. They're not going anywhere. And I built this bench. The top part I got from a Total Gym machine, which broke. Anybody like to play tennis? Yeah. It's pretty messy around here. But yeah, just took the pad right off of there, reinforced it with quite a bit of wood, just 2x4s on this, and it's really solid. I've been using it quite a bit. The end is very solid as well. For my posts, I used 2x6s, 2x6s screwed together, and had 4 of those as my main supports. Up top, I used 2x6s all around there, except for my front here. This was actually from an old playground, this bar here. It's a pretty nice all-around pull-up bar. It's got that perfect grip for your hand, just to go all the way around, about like that. So I bolted that in. You see these 2 bolts here kind of blend right in, actually. Bolted them in, and it's really solid. Got an upward angle on the bolts there. Alright, so for the bar, all I did was notch out a couple of 2x4s there, and at a 30-degree angle, and it's really solid. I've had about, all these weights on here, so about 215 pounds, and I put my weight on the bar as well, so that's about 350, 400, almost pounds, and it hasn't moved at all. So really thick with the 2x4 and the 2x6s there, and I bolted this first 2x4 into the 2x6s, because that's where all the weight's going to be, is right on there. And I've been using this for probably 4 or 5, probably a week now, and haven't had any problems with it. Very solid. I just put in a couple of speakers here. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Really easy to make. Yeah, another thing, I put in just wood blocks here at a level for that safety bar, and if you move it up just one more, so right now it's for the bench. It's for make sure it doesn't drop on your neck or anything when you're benching. And so if you move it up one more, that's for squatting, and it'll catch it if you snap something doing that. But yes, and I also have things in here for squat, and this is really solid. Just I think old trampoline pegs on one of those small trampolines. Pretty thick metal there. Yeah, again, I've had about 300 pounds on that. Just drilled a hole straight in, I think 1 inch thick, hammered it in. Um, yeah, really solid. I got these clips here, really nice clips, just Walmart pickup. The bar I ordered at Walmart. Um, it could be better. I'm really happy with the grip, and the ends just gets me what I need to do. Just bench, squat, some deadlifts, and barbell curls, some rows. That's all you need. Yeah, that's almost it, guys. One more thing here. What I did here was overlap slightly on that 2x6, give it some stability. Right now I'm just throwing weights on there for extra stability, and I bolted just this 5.5 2x4 piece into the 2x6 there, and then just screwed in to this 2x6 post, and it's really solid. And also put supports here just to screw and screw, and that's really solid as well. Side to side movement, I haven't had any trouble doing pull-ups or anything on it. Swinging action, it wobbles a bit, but I've been pretty happy with it. Yeah, over here I was just trying to do a guided lat try pull down type of thing. And back here we got just some 2x6 and a 2x4. Pretty solid for the spotter to stand on. I was going to reinforce this a bit later, put a couple more boards on top. Yeah, I need to fill this area in so someone doesn't sprain an ankle or anything, but yeah. And this bench here can slide out quite easily, like so. So you can do your squat, your deadlift. My padding, guys, we had this when we built the house, just some recycled pad, a couple layers of it. Yeah, that's all you need, man. We got tile flooring, so that would be bad to crack. Yeah, that's about it. Comment, guys. Hopefully I can answer any questions if you're looking to build one yourself. Yep, thanks.